Assembly instructions for installing decking on your dock blocks. Step 1. Put your assembled dock blocks dock in place with all accessories attached. Step 2. Lay the frame on top of the assembled dock blocks so it's centered on the blocks. Line up the frame and make sure the corners of the frame line up with the corners of the blocks. Step 3. Once the frame is properly aligned, prepare to drill pilot holes at the intersections of rows 2, 4, and 6. Then, using a 1/4-inch drill bit, drill the pilot holes through the top of the frame. Make sure you don't drill through the bottom of the frame. Step 4. Using a 5/8 drill bit, drill through the existing holes drilled in the previous step. The goal of this is to allow the hex head screw to align flush with the bottom of the frame. Step 5. Insert a hex head screw bit into your drill, followed by a 2-inch hex screw into that drill bit. Install the screws into the existing locations previously drilled in steps 3 and 4. The head of the screw should go through the 5/8 hole and be flush with the bottom of the frame. Step 6. Prepare the frame and dock assembly for placement of the decking boards. Place the first deck board at the end of the frame. Make sure that the deck board hangs over the sides of the frame by 1.5 inches and on the end of the frame by 1/2 inch. Step 7. Use a right angle square to determine the screw placement in the middle of the deck board above the frame. Using a 1/4-inch drill bit, pre-drill 2 holes on each side of the deck board. Using a Phillips head drill bit, install the 2-inch flathead Phillips screw through the board and into the frame. The screw should countersink into the board. Step 8. Continue adding deck boards. Use a screw or 16-penny nail as a spacer between the boards. Step 9. Finish installing the deck boards by using the right angle square to keep the boards in line and to mark the location for pre-drilling pilot holes. Then, using a 1/4-inch drill bit, pre-drill the screw holes. Now, using a Phillips head drill bit, insert the 2-inch Phillips head screws through the board and into the frame on rows 1, 3, 5, and 7. Step 10. Place each corner rub rail piece on each corner of the dock. Step 11. Secure the corner rub rail pieces to the deck boards using a Phillips head drill bit and a Phillips head screw. Use 3 screws to secure each corner rub rail piece. Step 12. Install the side rub rail pieces on all 4 sides of the dock. Secure the rub rail piece using a Phillips head screw on each board. Continue this process until rub rails are attached on all 4 sides. Now you've completed installation of the decking platform on your dock blocks dock system.